Hello, everyone. For Mwakwa Baba Erikwamna Yafe channel way so. Channel de be a canon. De be a yisuan de foforo. Ye chewa de foforo so channel way so. Nti ende obi bubu sam say den ye ben ho adwuma. Ende ye ba be show senia bibia unim about and bibia so hu about this particular access point. Okay, so we're Ruijie Reyee App 6262G. Do you want to 6262G, right? Wi-Fi 6 is one of the latest Wi-Fi. Do it Wi-Fi 7 aba. And the SO who be say a dual band. Dual band means it's me for band the woman need 2, so 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Simple puts. The 2.4 gigahertz can have a wider range but slower speed, and 5G, the 5 gigahertz, it has a shorter range but fast speed, right? So that device will also waterproof, waterproof. So good so I know the energy, and that the any kind of Ruijie for a system. So we see me manage products, almost all their products in their Ruijie Reyee App. It's configuration ekrano my be wom. Nti nipa na efa no so o ma tro say efa nipa 512 but for device we etimi afa dodo ay 100 pe. Don't stress it with a lot of people. Yeah, 100 is okay. So for the any kind of access points where when I say and I say most of Ruijie access points say we need say our mesh technology in the chain say I'm finding so connect way back my Starlink we nan kasa the range near from 150 to 250 meters, right? 150 to 250 meters. They will say 300 meters when you are reading Ruijie, but no, practically, yes, 150 to 250 meters within that range. This means so it's me mountain way. One baby a Starlink back one baby a internet source no without any cable, wirelessly, we bet me a connect ama other access point. Someone so we me answer. No person munya internet. But they should be far apart so don't make me distribute signal now. Then that's the mesh technology. You connect them to the main one, which is the AP, and they act as a repeater, wireless repeater, right? So that's the mesh. Ruijie was our system, maybe. Most of their access points. And the Santos beam. So we say, what use case ben ASM then minya Ruijie Reyee? One, obia who operate maybe school campus, right? But most of the time, this particular assessment it works perfectly when the place is clear. There's not high-rise building. I hand the here because most of the time any clients ne particular problem no. Baby I also use a one station. Station means be a car parks in Kofu Bibre or on send a market. 1 station, 2 market, 3 park. I also want baby a surrounding no signal no block it. No more Bibre me blocking. So 4 2 3. So that's one use case. And I will one thing this one installers Bibre name but a metro. On say the movement a way signal no. We also RJ45 with me connect my camera, right? So we connect to any camera and I say any router and also internet free way any more than ever. In some man say we are mesh system now one mesh system na aqua different place with me use second port no, which is this one. We access points so existing network, say free MTN router. Say free Starlink, say free Telecel. Wait me a connect my access point. You can access points the chain say a device ubetimi a connect ama already existing network. Now I access points for other users to connect to the system. You get it? Wirelessly. First of all, you be doing komo. Ashe, nyoma entaili. Okay. Mesan choose a configure with your phone. It's very easy. Soon as soon. But configuration is very simple. Let's jump on the phone and let me show you how to configure it with your phone. First of all, ube here idea media power this Ruijie. Also PoE injector or PoE switch. In this case, I'm using PoE injector. But so we use PoE switcher. I am making sure we use gigabit switch. Gigabit switch because this PoE switch is a gigabit PoE switch, right? The difference is what PoE switch and any PoE injector no. HSA PoE switch is so connecting manner. Because a switch was 4 ports, 8 ports, 16 ports. But me share a lot of access points and as a lot of computers. Because I don't know what existing network and what is Starlink or MTN did that. But I will multiple ports into bit my share internet. But with this particular one, it's only one port. But it's good. Into my power, my PoE injector. First of all, my physical connection, right? My power PoE injector no. Say PoE injector na so, right? Now my check here say you feel back PoE. PoE means power over Ethernet. So that will give this access point power, right? Into power over Ethernet since any day power every system. Into here they were much power over Ethernet no here. Cable when so they so using a so share ho. No say actually LAN 1 PoE. So then will be gently. Now the way na dey ashim. Mediator the best no. Say SYS means system. And that means more like power. There is power in it, right? There is power in it. So now our access point is booting. Right? Our access point is booting. But we will say LAN now and I know then the best show. Good. I see a running cable from your Starlink or from your any internet source. Near do and no then I shall see. Until more one existing cable. And no free one of my routers and my connecting my Starlink did that. Until we no internet here then a film sa cable internet film. Until social I say BBT say Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi means semi-search Wi-Fi necessary on my phone so I say minyasa Wi-Fi no. Ruijie for Wi-Fi no, right? I think say my configure did that but me reset no. But I think say no, right? Any profile no. But I'll reset it very soon. So that I bear for right? Nti do menya but me connected to it because me find internet in here and shame. There is no internet. It is so person in internet there. Then connection there and so money internet. Immediately out the internet in the shame no. Share there or access point in so. Once a light will be started so. And not just say internet here then LAN 1 no. Internet band is no. Cable no PoE na the power no. And LAN no. LAN 1 and the internet air brain no. After them, I'm trying to connect. I'm connecting to, and now I'm connecting. A good one. Into me configure for a client, but me the configuration for a gateway into my register. Into we messenger require first who have a problem with your Ruijie Reyee App bit my resetting. Into resetting is the interest in a so that a bear for cry say. I got on a full no. into our connect. I'm checking speed, you know. So then I'm checking speed in the first. Yeah, a boy mapa. So this is the speed. A free me route and a bar access point. Okay. It's now you perceive a reset this access point so that a bear for flow. A bear with the default name. Default name started with Ruijie, so that a bit me higher configuration for flow. And we no share button na back reset button, right? Back reset button. The reset button there so yeah baby so be super. Now when me aso sa high clickable, so we me aso sa for about 15 minutes. Me aso sa for about 15 minutes per. No gym. Me aso sa for about 15 minutes. On say me gym. So lights ne blink. Say and I say I reset area. I reset area and so. And today see a man say me go back to my phone. Now I'ma check it. Say me who different yeah. I have a boot into the entry one in boot answer. To wife and that is a blinky. Nti so ukoto eman so wato Ruijie ne fofora. BBC na nka say right. So that be start BB afofo, right? Nti BBC na say about Ruijie S and some numbers. When because the internet I share we name the nti from the LAN port from the Starlink router and the share minti. Se me super. Say about connected. Say me internet. Because your connection BB right. This is connection. So person configure router we now the into so now the password in your matter so there so yeah. So Ruijie 4 app. Ruijie 4 app B. Nti Ruijie Reyee. Nti Ruijie 4 app. So nti medical country app no. Only account are just like any any software and so create account. And so bahasi me account did that, but maybe I may log it out. May log it out so that I bear for right. Into being for I a bear. And so yeah then. Who create new account. Who email there to create accounts. Okay, so first of all, you have to create an account with Ruijie. If it's your first time, first time I'll there, next will create an account. Until we know, me pick one of the email I use, so that I'll use it to do it. The first one I'm choosing a mistake, so I'll change it. Which is Pond City Server 2. Then the password. Okay, so let's log in then. So now we have our account, right? So what we have to do is that you have to go to the email. They will send a verification code to that particular email. So go to that email, enter. If the mail is not here in the primary, go to the spam. Cause spam, because sometimes they are regarded as spam. To me, activate your Ruijie Clouder. Remember Ruijie Foresight. So if you are an installer, electrician, ISP, end user, or you choose only one. Yes. So in this case, me installer and my picking installer, I'll put my number there and my name. So after doing this, I've officially activated my Ruijie account. So the next thing that I have to do is to add project to my accounts. Yeah, so we are going to add projects, but before that they have dummy projects that you can check. Is very helpful. It help you to understand Ruijie system, so you can load that one to check the number of things that Ruijie have. Okay, so you first have to, after typing on the project, they will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, this time around I've seen I've connected to the Ruijie Wi-Fi. Yeah, and this time around it's a Wi-Fi project, no wireless bridge, no home routers, so it's wireless, which is AP. Yeah, we have powered it and it's on. Yeah, so we have also connected to the Ruijie, so we just click on connect. It sends us to our page, then we flip back so that we can sign in. We choose yes, continue, then it's generating topology. You choose a password for this, then you click on OK. Then it will detect the device as soon as possible. Then we start with the configuration, which is very simple. So you start with the name, that enter the SSID name. SSID name means what you want. Maybe you want it to be Kofi Wi-Fi, Freedom Wi-Fi, Kwame Nkrumah Wi-Fi. That's the name that you want people to see and connect to. So that's the SSD. But this time around, most of the time, we use for hotspot business. So the Microtech takes over, right? So I just went to advanced. Guys, here is very important, the band merge, always you have to merge the band, so that we won't be having two SSIDs at the same time, one for the Gen 2.4 and one for the 5G. So we are not putting any password on it because the Microtech will do that for us. That's when they will enter the code. If you put password on this, that means first of all they have to go into the password. Like before, they will have to go into enter the password before they see the code, right? Yeah, so let's see whether the name will come. City Tech. Let's wait patiently. The City Tech is down there. Let's connect to it. Okay, that's great. So now we have successfully configured our Ruijie Access Point 6262G, and now it's online. One thing amazing about this particular Ruijie platform is that if it's online, regardless of where you are, you can access it and make some basic or even advanced configuration on them. Yes. So that's it. So it's online now. And so you have configured it, and the number of users, the number of clients, everything, you can monitor it yourself here. So if you want to change the Wi-Fi name, so you can do at the basic Wi-Fi settings. Then you can change the Wi-Fi name. If you want to put password on it too, you can do that. If you want to rename it too, you can do that. If you want to share with someone too, that's possible.